Hi, welcome to your first lesson in this training program. You will learn about HTML in the series of topics that will follow in this module. So let's get started. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's used by developers to define structure of a web page. Every page that you see on web is written using HTML. Let us take example of Internshala's home page. This beautiful looking page is an example of a well organized page and contains text and images. The page is written using HTML. Web browsers read and understand the markup text written in HTML. In simple words, HTML speaks in the language web browsers understand and instructs it to display the content. In this case, content is text and images. The page can be divided in multiple small sections and each section has specific information in it. So, when you write an HTML document, you are simply giving browser a set of instructions on how to display content on your web page. In the next lesson, you will learn about how HTML documents are written. Thank you.